Oh, hey, come on in. Hello, everybody. How are you today? Today, we are making a quick and easy recipe of a feel-good smoothie. Now, on my site and my app, I actually call this a Detox Spa Smoothie because it literally tastes like a spa to me. But we're gonna swap out that word detox, even though it feels like a nice detox smoothie, and just make it a feel-good smoothie. This is a smoothie and something I love to make after I have a really fun weekend out with my friends, if you know what I mean, or after vacation where I maybe ate too many fried foods or something like that. And by the way, whenever I go on vacation or whenever I have a weekend out with my friends where I feel like I didn't eat my healthiest, I just get back right to it, right? This is not, by the way, something that I just eat. Like I skip my meals and just eat the smoothie. This is an add-on to make sure my body is getting the correct nutrients for digestion and hydration. So we are going to make this feel-good smoothie. Let's do it. This smoothie also just feels so fresh, springy, and even summery. So I'm gonna walk you through the ingredients and tell you all the health properties. We are just gonna start with some ice. No health properties here. Actually, water, hydration, yay. Real first ingredient, we're gonna start with some Greek yogurt, awesome for probiotics, natural probiotics, and protein. Also just adds a nice creamy level to this. Next up, we have some frozen pineapple, which is great for anti-inflammatory, but pineapple also has an enzyme that helps with digestion. Next up, we have a banana, which obviously great for potassium, so helps your belly a lot in different ways. And also great in fiber. I'm not using the whole banana. Actually, this is gonna make 2 servings then. Next up, we have cucumber. This is what makes it taste like a spa. Cucumber honestly can really help manage your weight as well with blood sugar. Next up, we have a lemon. Just making sure I get the seed out so I don't put the seed in the smoothie. And the lemon is a natural detox. I love my lemon water in the morning. Oh no, we gotta seed in after all that. It's gone forever. Anyways, lemon is great for immunity as well. And I do just realize I have a whole squeezer, but I didn't use it. Oh, I think I just got a second seed in there. And that is why I should have used this. Anyways, we do have spinach, high in vitamin K. I love tossing spinach in any smoothie, even like a berry smoothie, just gets those extra nutrients in without a huge strong flavor. Then we have a little bit of ginger. Now, fresh ginger. You guys can also get those ginger cubes at Trader Joe's, which are wonderful, but I love fresh ginger. And I call it, for myself personally, a superfood of my gut because ginger is so amazing to help in any type of digestion. And I just take a spoon to peel the skin off really easily. You guys, fresh ginger, there's nothing like it. It smells so good. And a little bit goes a long way. I love ginger. Now, last but not least, just tossing in some coconut water. You guys can do regular water, but coconut water is super extra for hydration, again, digestion. It adds a nice level of sweetness as well. I think we are good to go. Let's blend this baby on up. And voila, the plug appeared out of nowhere. All right, I'm just gonna do medium. All right, looks so good. It's like my favorite color of green too. Might even make 3, look at that. Here we go. All right, she's overflowing just a little bit, but she's perfect. And then for my yellow dress, for my lemony, pineapple-y, coconut watery smoothie, I have a yellow straw. Let's taste tester. Oh my gosh, it really does taste like a spa. That is truly the perfect refresher smoothie. Actually good for you. You're gonna be obsessed with it. Holy moly, this is a great morning smoothie. Again, if you just feel like you just need to feel better, this smoothie is for you. You're gonna really freaking love it. Aids in digestion, gut health. So cheers to a better tummy and a great version of yourself. I love you. I'll see you next week.